Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I am Teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics, and this is a past question for Unidel post UTME. And today's topic is relative density. So here goes the question. Sit, relax, and enjoy. The relative densities of zinc, brass, copper, gold, and silver are respectively 7, 1, 8.5, 19.5, and 10.5. A metal ornament which weighs 0.425 kg and can displace 50 times 10 raised to the power of -6 meter cube of water is made of A. Zinc, B. Brass, C. Copper, D. Gold. Density of water is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So let's solve. Okay, so now solution. Okay, so we all know that relative density is always given as density of substance over density of water. Okay, so now let's start with the density of water is given in the equation for us, so it makes the work more easier. Now let's go for density of substance. Density of substance is mass over volume. So what is the mass given in the equation? You trace the mass was given as what? 0.425 kg, 0.425, okay, over what is the volume? And say displaced, so 50 times 10 to the power -6 meter cube. So that's the volume. 50 times 10 to the power -6 meter cube. So if you have your calculator there, let's divide. Zero point 425 divided by 50 times 10 raised to the power of -6. Okay, so what you have it? So if you divide, you have what? 8,500 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so that is the first one. So that is the density of the what? Substance. Now let's move on. 8500. Okay, now let's go back to the what they are asking us for. Okay, so take note, they are asking which of these metals is going to bear this 7, 1, 8.5, 19.5, and 10.5. So now let's get the relative density. Relative density so density of the substance we have solved down to be what? 8500 over density of water. So what is the density of water? It's given us 1000. Okay, so let's go 1000. So we can divide. Let's go. Cancel, 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 cancel. Get your calculator ready. 85 divided by 10, you have 8.5. Now, are you seeing 8.5 here? You trace. The one that have 8.5. So let's go. Zinc has 7. Brass have 1. Copper has 8.5. Gold have 19.5. Silver have 10.5 respectively. So you trace one that have 8.5. Let's go. Zinc, brass, copper. So copper is having 8.5. So therefore, copper is equal to 8.5 relative density. So you go to your option. So the option there is what? C. So option C. And that is your final answer. Okay? So this is how you solve such type of question under relative densities. Always take note of the formula. Take note of the formula. Relative density is density of the substance over density of water. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Appreciate that. Okay, so see you next time on this particular post UTME physics series. Bye bye.